The best hard wax beads are extremely effective at removing even coarse hair. They can work flawlessly with almost any wax warmer. And they work effortlessly. Here is our list of 5 of the best hard wax beads for waxing. All of them have positive reviews and good ratings. Of the 5, Cirepil is the most popular. Kaloua wax is the highest rated. And Lifestance is the most affordable. Here are the reasons why you will love these waxing beads and why other people already love them. In the first position is the Kaloua wax. People love these popular hard wax beads because of the following reasons. 1. It peels off nicely. 2. It melts evenly. 3. It cleans up really well. 4. It is incredibly effective at removing the toughest of hairs. 5. It is easy to use. In the second position is the Lifestance hard wax beads. The reason why people who use these hard wax beads fall in love with them include: 1. It smells way better than other waxing beads. 2. It doesn't leave a messy wax residue. 3. It is easy to spread. 4. It comes off smoothly. 5. It doesn't cause after-use irritation to the skin. In the third position is Verde wax beans. These wax beans have enjoyed positive reviews and good ratings because: 1. It comes off cleanly. 2. It doesn't dry out the skin. 3. It is relatively less painful than other options. 4. It is easy to apply. 5. It provides good value for money. In the fourth position is the Lifestance wax beads. These wax beads are recommended by a lot of people because: 1. It is incredibly affordable and offers good value for money. 2. It has good grip strength and removes hair well. 3. It comes off smoothly and doesn't leave residue. 4. It doesn't leave the skin irritated. 5. It causes significantly less pain than other waxing beads. In the fifth position is the Cirepil blue wax. These beads are popular and generally loved because: 1. It melts evenly. 2. It melts quickly. 3. It is effective on coarse hair. 4. It is very easy to spread on the body. 5. It cools quickly. And while some users complained that it isn't gentle with sensitive skin, most people love it. These are the best waxing beads on the market. Use the links in the description box below to find more about them. That is all for now. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.